I think my first visit I actually had a cavity that needed to be redone. Coming to Dr. Howard's office has been the most enjoyable experience. I have been to other places for just regular cleanings. I had braces and stuff like that, so I've had exposure to other offices, but Dr. Howard's office was the most comfortable to walk into, you know, because mine wasn't necessarily something that I needed to do, but I'll tell you, it made a huge difference in me wanting to smile more. I smiled a lot with my mouth closed, and it wasn't because, you know, my teeth were terrible. It was just because I wasn't completely happy with my smile. I had veneers put on, and they're maintenance free. It's just nothing different than what I did before. There was virtually no discomfort after having my veneers put on. It was a permanent fix. I wasn't temporarily, you know, fixing something. And Dr. Howard's really good about explaining when he's doing a procedure what's going to be happening and what you're going to be feeling. And just having that and knowing what to expect before it's happening alleviates a lot of anxiety. You know, when you walk into an office and things are up to date, and it makes you feel comfortable that the person that's going to be working on your teeth knows what they're doing. You know, walking in here, everything's really clean, everything looks new. He's continuing his education and learning new things all the time, so that makes you feel comfortable. I don't have any regrets about coming here. I've never had, you know, a bad experience. Every time I've come here, it's been great. You feel like they're really trying to make it an enjoyable experience for you. A few times I recommended people driving up here to get a crown done just because it was a one-day process versus, I don't know, you know, several days. Everybody is very friendly, and it's not just a show here, it's how the people are. And so, you know, knowing them outside of the office, I can honestly say they're caring people and just generally nice, and they all work well together. You know, I've never had a bad experience there. I don't know anybody who has. I've never come in here and felt like there was some sort of tension or that people weren't getting along or not working well together. Everything always seems like it's running very smoothly and everybody's happy to be here, and that says a lot about you know, the office and about Dr. Howard. If people are happy where they're working, it means a lot as a patient. Dr. Howard called just to make sure. I mean, I had a filling, so it's something pretty typical, but he called me that evening to make sure I wasn't having any discomfort or anything like that. And yeah, I mean, he cared.